20 common English phrasal verbs. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up.
I get up as soon as my alarm rings.
Sit down. Please sit down and relax. Stand up. Everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Turn on. Turn on the TV, please. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Get out. Get out of the car carefully. Come back. I come back home at 2 o'clock. Put down.
Put down the book.
Come in. The door is open. Come in. Put on. Put on your jacket. Take off. Please take off your shoes. Pick up.
Can you pick up your toys? Take care.
She takes care of her cat. Run out of. We ran out of milk this morning. Give up.
Don't give up on your dreams.
Check in. We need to check in at the hotel. Check out. We checked out of the hotel at noon. Break down. My car broke down on the way to work. Break up. They decided to break up after many arguments. Hang out. I hang out with my friends. Get along with. I get along with my neighbors.